In this video, we'll be going over how to use the Design Replicator tool in Mirra. Once you're all logged in and in the dashboard, head over to the Design Replicator on the top left. Once you're here, you can choose between a single clone or a multi-clone operation. The single cloner is used to generate multiple unique variations of one singular t-shirt design. The multi-cloner is used when you want to generate multiple related shirt designs. So this would be things like matching family shirts for holidays and trips. In this video, we'll be going over how to use the single cloner. If you want to learn how to use the multi-cloner, a video showcasing it is linked in the description below, which you can watch after this video. Once you have selected your cloner type and hit continue, we move on to the sources page. Here you upload your input design, the one you want to replicate. You can either input a link of an image you find online, or upload a photo from your computer. I already have the photo I want to use saved, so I'll just upload it. I click choose file, select the file I want, open it, and hit upload and continue. Okay, once it's uploaded, we can continue on to the next step, which is selecting the number of variations we want. Each variation is a completely unique design that has its own title and description. So let's just do 3. For the sake of testing. Once we've selected the number of variations we want, we can start the process. Here we see a review page before we confirm and start the job. Now you're all done. You don't have to stay on this page. You can head over to a different tab and continue starting a new job or working on something else. But just for the sake of this video, I'll stay here to show you what it looks like. Once it finishes, you can see all your generated designs here. Each design has its own title and description, which you can copy from here. And you can download each image, like this. If you didn't stick around until the process ended, that's fine. You can go over to the Designs tab on the left. And here you can see all the designs that you've created. To download them, you can either download it directly from here, or you can view the details. You can copy paste the title and description and download it directly or upload it to Dropbox. Drive functionality is coming later. And that's about it. If you have any questions or any feature requests, let us know in the comments.